Tonight, I will talk about the three characteristics of a great teacher. First, we need to be patient. Patient because some students are stubborn, lazy,
May papel.
sometimes bad.
Aray.
So we need to be patient to them. We need to understand them. Second is, we need to be a good example. We need to be a good example because someday they want to be a teacher also. And they will teach also about the things you taught. Third is strong. You need to be strong because some students
Wala pang kasabay. Ako lang man yun. Iwanan niyo naman ako eh.
Some students give up easily. So you may give them some advice. To sum up, patient and being a good example and strong is the three characteristics of a great teacher. So how about you? What is the three characteristics